Today, I'll show you how to block players in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So press the options button on your controller and go to social. Then from here, find the player you want to block. It can either be a recently met player or your friend. So let's do a recent player. So this one is a recent player. So press the X to view details and then go to block and report. From here, select block player, and then you'll be asked, are you sure you want to block this person? So select block, and you can see at the top there the player is being blocked. You can also do that for your friends. So let's find a friend. So select that person and then go to the block and report. So select and select block. So keep in mind that if you block your friend, they will be removed from your friend list. So if you're sure, just press the block player option. And that's basically how to block someone on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Thanks for watching.